Dr. Yodita Ranaji, Aunty Vishwavi Madam. Now, we will escorted by Master Secretary JSPG. Now I request Project Director Darshan ji to please hand over a bouquet to hand over a token of Director Garu. Wants to felicitate our honorable chief guest. Thank you. Thank you. Rotate Shiriji, please. Hand over. Srinivasi, all the guests on the dais to please come and light the lamp.
शुभदायक आवाहन चेतुमया आवाहन चेतुमया विनायक वाणी गणपति नमोस्तुते వేదాల సారం మరింపుకొని నీవు భేదమింతయు లేక మృదువు దేవా భేదమింతయు లేక మృదువు దేవా వేదనయే జీవనమాయే వేదనయే జీవనమాయే శోధింపగని సంగతి నీయుమ శోధింపగని సంగతి నీయుమ వాణి గణపతి నమోస్తుతే కారణ చతుర నమోస్తుతే వాణి గణపతి నమోస్తుతే గణపతి గణపతి కాలభేద్య శక్తి నీవు హేల గణపతి త్రికాలభేద్య శక్తి నీవు హేల గణపతి కాలకూట ధర తనయా ధర తనయా బాల గణపతి నమకాల నిన్ను కొలుతుమయ్యా నమకాల నిన్ను కొలుతుమయ్యా స్వరాల గణపతి నమకాల నిన్ను కొలుతుమయ్యా స్వరాల గణపతి వాణి గణపతి నమోస్తుతే కారణ చతుర నమోస్తుతే వాణి గణపతి నమోస్తుతే వాహనమూషిక శుభదాయక ఆవాహన చేతుమయా వినాయక వాణి గణపతి నమోస్తుతే వాణి గణపతి నమోస్తుతే
Thank you.
It was closed. For being named for service insertion as per guidelines of Rotary registration. For being supplying water to tankers since 10 years, we established an artificial limb manufacturing center at government hospital, but after demolition of the same for purpose of medical college, we have shifted the same to our school premises and we are constructing a new building for purpose of limb center. We have already distributed about 1,000 limbs with inception and we have capacity of 15 mobility to the poor and needy by providing the artificial Jaipur limb at least 50 per month. We are pooling the money from donations among our members on the occasion of the marriage and birthday. We have supported the district administration in polio camps. In fact, polio eradication program is our signature project and almost polio disease is eradicated throughout the world with the help of Rotary International, which fought long battle of 20 years. Of the assignment of polio, Rotary had took up the program of eradication of illiteracy in the world and a teach program and happy school program. We are adopting schools in rural areas and providing school benches and books, dresses, shows and bags etc. for creating learning atmosphere at the schools for better studies of students and to create best citizens of tomorrow. So far, we have provided about 1,000 school ULS benches and other materials to the schools. We have been providing the marriage function hall for nominal rent of 3,000 only, along with mineral water. We have got installed about 20 water plants in and around Nizamabad and got some 55 borewells in the Ramapuram PDG Gautam Garu. The link center was started with the hard work of our PDG Gautam and PP Rajiv Puri, and it could be realized in the period of our PP Akul Ashok in the year 2009. We are providing four dead body bridges at free of cost. We have installed a mineral water plant at Rotary Nagar and providing water to the area. Thus, we are catering every service to the needy from all walks of life of society. For all these services, seats were sown by our past president who had a larger vision, and the list is unending. Every time the incoming president is giving better performance than his predecessor. This is the magic of Rotary. No one is inferior to anyone in service. Presently, our dream projects are: we want to establish a daily clinic. We also want to establish a permanent dialysis center. We also want to establish the sanitary napkins for napkins at lesser rate. The government can help us in establishing the above project. I congratulate V. Srinivas Rao, past president, for the good show and performance by getting good number of awards. I especially congratulate Santosh, secretary of the club, for 15 and 16 for sketching the large number of projects and got appreciation of the Rotary District Authority as best secretary and best president. I also appreciate the spirit of our members who have supported us every time. Being president for 2016 and 17, I request each member to extend their cooperation in the same way in this term. Thank you, one and all.
Give his feelings about the tenure. So before he speaks, एक 4 लाइनें दोस्त के लिए पेश करना चाहता हूँ। मुस्कुराहट का कोई मोल नहीं होता, कुछ रिश्तों का कोई तोल नहीं होता। मुस्कुराहट का कोई मोल नहीं होता, हर कोई आप सबकी तरह अनमोल नहीं होता। इस नाते के साथ उन्होंने गए साल 146 प्रोजेक्ट्स करके एक पूरे 3150 में उन्होंने इतिहास रचा है।
चीफ गेस्ट డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ కలెక్టర్ మేడం యోగితారావు గారికి మరియు వేదిక పైన ఉన్న ప్రెసిడెంట్ విజయేశ్వర్ గారికి, మన సెక్రటరీ విజయరావు గారికి, నాతోటి మొత్తం సంవత్సరం పనిచేసిన సెక్రటరీ, ప్రతి సంవత్సరం ప్రతి ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఈ రోజుకు రేపు ఎల్లుండి మించి మనము ఇక్కడ సర్వీస్ ఆఫీసులు చేస్తూ ఉన్నాము. ఆల్రెడీ మనం ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారు ఆల్రెడీ మనం సర్వీసెస్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాము ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. మీకు కొత్తగా ఇచ్చేది ఏం లేదు. నేను రోడ్ రైడ్ నుంచి ఐ జాయిన్ ఇన్ 1919 రోడ్ రైడ్ అండ్ ఐ జాయిన్ ఇన్ 1997 రోడ్ రైడ్. ఈ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ సంవత్సరం లోపల 145 ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేసి ప్రతి ప్రాజెక్ట్లో మనము ఈ నిజామాబాద్లో ఎవరికైనా మనం ఏమి చేయగలుగుతాం, మనతో ఏమి రోడ్ల నుంచి ఏమి మనము సర్వీసెస్ చేయగలుగుతాం, మనతో అయింది మనం చేశాము. ఈ ప్రతి మెంబర్ అందరూ నాకు సహకరించిన వాళ్ళందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. ఈ అవార్డ్స్ అనేది ఇది ఒక పేరు, మన సర్వీస్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్గా మనము ఏదో చేస్తా ఉన్నాము. దీనికి మనం వేరే అనేది కట్టడం కాదు, కానీ ఈ 146 ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేసి దానికి ఉన్న ప్రాజెక్టులలో మన డిస్ట్రిక్ట్లో 3150 96 క్లబ్లో కూడా డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ బెస్ట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్, డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ బెస్ట్ క్లబ్, డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ బెస్ట్ సెక్రటరీ అవార్డు రావడం నిజంగా ఇది ఎంతో సంతోషమైన విషయం. ఈ ఒక్కో క్లబ్ లో 100 మంది పైన ఉంటారు అంటే దగ్గర ఒక 110 మెంబర్లు ఉన్న మన క్లబ్ లో ప్రతి సీనియర్ మెంబరు నాతోని మొత్తం హెల్ప్ చేస్తూ, నా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తూ సహకరించిన ప్రతి పేరున మెంబర్స్ కు నా తరఫున ధన్యవాదాలు. అలాగే ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్లబ్ కూడా మా ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో వాళ్ళు కలిసి పనిచేసిన వాళ్ళు కూడా పేరున వాళ్ళకి ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ అవార్డ్ సెలబ్రేషన్ గా చేసుకుని మీరందరికీ వచ్చినందుకు నాకు ధన్యవాదాలు.
for welcome to our beloved district collector Vivekananda Nandiyarji and President Secretary of the Rotary Club and past President Srinivas Rao and Rotary Club, Rotarians and family Rotarians. Thanks a lot. So I won't take much time. So only one thing is I can say that my life, social life before Rotary and after Rotary is the TEACH program. Before that, the Rotary flagship project was the polio. Polio was almost eradicated all over the world. Now the Rotary is taking up the TEACH as a flagship project now. And that was started yesterday. And with your support, we have a lot of educational program, motivation program. The highlight program of the student last year was Laila. So I thank all of you for giving support and cooperation. And I can say just thanks. Thanks for the madam, because with her motivation, the Rotary Club done a lot of projects last year. Thanks a lot.
किन्नी मिठी साड़ी जिंदगी है, इसको अमल करिए तो जिंदगी सवर जावे. No it's turn of our dynamic chief guest Srimati Yogita Rana to present awards to our dynamic Rotary team. And if we compare our services to her services, we are nothing in front of her, because whenever we pay visit to the office, she is so help busy, we get surprised on seeing her services to the district.
Next, P.P. Ved Prakash Mittal ji. Assistant Governor. So I request all of you to please give them a big round of applause. Now I request P.P. Katkam Srinivas ji. Best Image Bulletin. Best Image Bulletin. I request past President Purushottam Patel ji. Water shortage and crisis in the summer season. The moment where family can feel that the Santosh who has given his contribution for the year 2015 and for which he is receiving an award with the hands of and for the best club I
Please hurry up. Their exam stress material, Dr. Vishal Akur. Dr. Kavita Reddy. Artificial lift camp.
एक मिनट भैया.
Now I request President Satish Shah. I request Dr. Kavita ji. Next, Dinesh Gupta, Rotarian Gopal Swami, Rotarian Sriram Swami for World Polio Day. Welcome boards. Please be ready, Shesh Kumar. After Praveen. Shiriji, please. Blood grouping this. Dr. D. Kavalani, past president. Receiving award. And also now request Dhanpal Srinivas, Rotary Dhanpal Srinivas. Please big group. Next family. Next, R. Jagdishwar Rao with Jaya. Sharp. Yogi Prasanna for child caring. Satisha. For illustration on individual. Members, so please join for a group photograph with chief guest.
ఏం చేయలేము మనం.
अनुपमा जी और राजकुमार सूबेदार साहब को
Lata madam, she has during Rela, Valentine Rela, whenever there is any problem in India. I request now again, past president Nursing to come on to the dais. It's a lifetime service for them. I request Lata madam.
A very warm good evening to Pata President Srinivas Garu, Pata Secretary Santosh Garu, alage Kota President Jagdishwar Garu, alage Kota Secretary Vijay Garu. And చాలా త్వరగా మనలో Kota Pata అయిపోతుంది. In fact, I am also almost అనుకుంటున్నాను. In fact, today is a very different day in my life, but since Santosh Garu invite chesaru, so I could not say no to him. Not only because it was Santosh Garu who actually invited, because of the support which lot of members who are under the Rotary umbrella are extending to the district administration, I really could not say no. In fact, under Harita Haram, our district is doing very well, and I'm sure many of you must be knowing. But the kind of support which Darshan ji is really extending to this program is really heartening. We did a survey about 6-7 months back. We did a survey, and we came to know that about more than 200 disabled, differently abled people require limb. For that, I just once casually నేను శ్రీనివాస్ గారికి వాటి గురించి మాట్లాడితే ఆయన చాలా రెడీలీ వచ్చి అల్పో పని కూడా అయిపోయింది. సో ద సపోర్ట్ విచ్ అండర్ ద బ్యానర్ ఆఫ్ రోటరీ శ్రీనివాస్ గారు విత్ సంతోష్ గారు హెస్ రియలీ ఎక్స్టెండెడ్ ఇస్ అగైన్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు రియలీ మెన్షన్. దీంతో పాటు మీరు చేసిన పనులు ఆ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ క్రింద ఉండొచ్చు, లేకపోతే డ్రింకింగ్ వాటర్ సప్లై ఉండొచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ డజంట్ ఫిట్ అండర్ ఎనీ కేటగిరీ, ద వెరీ పాజిటివ్ రెస్పాన్స్ by the members of the Rotary, and I really don't know whether it is individually a manishi ala unnaru lekapothe Rotary lo krinda vachin tarvata ayana mark ayarani I am not able to understand. But the motto of the Rotary itself is service before self ani manaki first society kosam service cheyali. So that is why I was asking Srinivas garu meeku membership enta. So he gave a very nominal number, some 140, 150. So ఒకవేళ 110, ఒకవేళ మీ అందరూ అంటే ఈ రోటరీ క్రింద వచ్చి మీలో మార్క్ వచ్చిందంటే then you should ensure your membership should be more than few lakhs. అంటే దీనివల్ల మార్క్ వచ్చింది, లేకపోతే ఎవరు ముందే లైటెండ్ ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి రోటరీ జాయిన్ చేస్తారంటే నేను అప్పుడు చెప్పలేను. సో ఐ మస్ట్ సే, in fact, whenever the district administration has really put any proposal, in fact the other day we were talking in detail with Dr. Kavita Garu also regarding the menstrual hygiene among the young girls and the women. So readily Santosh Garu said I will ensure that one of the unit I will fund. I mean, it is not the question of funding money, but it is the attitude. It is that positive energy that really gives lot of encouragement, I will say, to a person who is really heading the district. So when I know, I have the members of Rotary Club behind the district, then I can actually go ahead and promise. So thanks one and all for really giving that kind of support to the district administration. Since most of you I know personally also, and you all are doing very good work in your own canvas and in your own sphere of your influence, but definitely still larger needs to be done. It is not that we should be really satisfied by whatever change we are bringing, but we should always expand our canvas. And I'm sure all the members who are sitting here, your limits and your potential is at least 1,000 times for what you all are doing right now. Because what limits a person's potential is only the thought. And if the thought is expanded, I'm sure the potential gets expanded. So really it is my pleasure to be a part of your family gathering. But when I was looking at all of you from all the ages, very young, in the middle age, young old age, then young very very old age also, I was really feeling jealous of all of you, in the sense that you all are very lucky. I am now not engaging myself in the entire group because all of you know each other from decades. But you look at our plight, every year we have to make new friends, and every 2 years we get dislocated. So we can never have the kind of పుట్టల నుంచి నా స్నేహితుడు, లేకపోతే 10 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి నా స్నేహితుడు, these kind of dialogue your character cannot make, because I feel we are not that lucky to have long friends whom we can really call upon at the time when you are not feeling so good. So when you all came, I really had that feeling, had I been in my own native place, perhaps I would also have joined some kind of a family get together. But nevertheless, life is very beautiful. It is not that what we wish. మనకి ఏముంటుంది దేవుడు మనకి అదే ఇస్తారు. And I'm sure God, including me, has given everybody more than we deserve. In fact, I normally whenever I interact with people like you, I always ask them a question. ఖచ్చితంగా ఒక 10 సంవత్సరాల ముందు or 20 years back, whatever were our wishes, if we make a list of those wishes, let us say 2000 know what we wished. I'm sure not even 2000, I will say whatever we wished in 2010, you all will be surprised that God has given us 100 times more than what we wished. But the human being is like that. అయ్యంతా అంటే కోరిక అంటే దానికి మేము ఏం చెప్పలేం. ఒక్క వస్తే ఇంకా 10 కావాలి, 10 వస్తే ఇంకా 100, 100 వస్తే ఇంకా 1,00,000, 1,00,000 వస్తే ఇంకా 1,00,000. సో ఆగేది ఎక్కడా లేదు. But definitely we all are very blessed. Why I say we all are very blessed? Because none who are in this hall, maybe barring a few people who are serving as the servers, we never sleep with an anxiety that whether my child will have food tomorrow. We never sleep with an anxiety that if my child or my wife or my relatives, they fall sick, do I have money to get medicines? We never have that anxiety that tomorrow if my child wants to go for a higher study, will I be able to fund? But ladies and gentlemen, there are more than 70% of the people in this entire world who sleep with this anxiety. Whether tomorrow my child will get food, I will get medicine, or if my child wants to study, will I get the budget? So let us do much more than we really tighten ourselves in our own thought process. I feel God has blessed us so much that it is the time for us to give to the world now. It is the time for us to do more for the community now. Having said this, I would really be, I will really appreciate that you can really come out with some kind of a program. Already I was speaking to The other day I was speaking to Srinivas Garu and Santosh Garu. There is lot of funding which comes from Rotary. So the only that funding, if you can get the 25% of the balance funding, we will tie it up from the district administration. Let it be 1 crore from the district administration. So I would just like to end with one of my favorite quote, which has always guided me throughout my journey in the life. I firmly believe that we owe a lot to the poor. And then why we owe a lot to the poor is because only in the society there are poor people who give us an option to serve them in whichever form. If you have donated some drinking water RO plant, there was a poor waiting for that water plant. Otherwise, no rich people will actually take your RO plant. అంటే ఒకవేళ మీరు ఒక ధన్వంతులకి మీరు కవితా రెడ్డి గారికి అమ్మ నేను మీ హాస్పిటల్లో ఒక ఆరో ప్లాంట్ ఇస్తామంటే ఆమె మీకు మిమ్మల్ని తిడుతుంది, నా దగ్గర డబ్బు లేదా మీరు నాకు ఆరో ప్లాంట్ ఇస్తారని. వాట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు సే పాయింట్ ఇస్ our charity nobody other than the poor wants. Whatever books you will never donate books to my children. I will get offended. I have my double, why are you giving? Or maybe to Santosh kids or Srinivas daughter is sitting here. So what I want to say is, we all should be thankful to the poor because since there is a poverty and since there are poor people, we are getting a chance to serve them. And since we are getting a chance to serve them, we all are getting more closer to our God. Because tomorrow, if we take care of the children of the God, when we die and we are not here, God will take care of our kids. ఎందుకంటే మేము చనిపోయిన తర్వాత అంటే మనకి మేము if we are sitting here, our thought always is na bidda ekkada. Even if your son is sitting close to you, even if he goes outside, you will search for him. See, ఎంత మనకి ఆలోచన ఉంది. బట్ మేము చనిపోయిన తర్వాత మన పిల్లలకి ఎవరు చూసుకుంటారు? దేవుడు చూస్తారా? If we don't take care of the children of the God, God will never take care of our children అని చెప్పి we should always thank the poor because poor are there, we serve them. And by serving the poor, we serve the children of the God. So that when we are not there, God will take care of our children and we in return go very close to our God.
एक 4 लाइनें आपको, जिसकी सोच में खुददारी की महक, जिसके सोच में खुददारी की महक, जिसके इरादों में हौसले की मिठास और जिसकी नीयत में सच्चाई का स्वाद. This in the meantime I request Agnika to sing a song.
ఆ చేతులకు నరికిటి శక్తి ఉంటే నాకే గనక 2 చేతులుంటే ఆ చేతులకు నరికిటి శక్తి ఉంటే మనిషి నా ఒంటిని తాకిటుడా మనిషి నా ఒంటిని తాకిటుడా వాని మనుగడను సాధించువడా వృక్షాన్ని రానే ప్రియపురా వృక్షానిరా నేను వృక్షానిరా మానవాళి ప్రాణ వృక్షానిరా వృక్షానిరా నేను వృక్షానిరా మానవాళి ప్రాణ వృక్షానిరా ఈ వెలుగులో చీకట్లో నింపుతురా
परों को खोल समाना उड़ान देखता है जमीन पे बैठा क्या आसमान देखता है। तो इसके साथ
दर्द भरा ये गीत कहाँ से इन होठों पे आए दूर कहीं ले आए भूल गया क्या भूल गई है मुझको याद जरा सा फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा बहुत पुरानी है एक कहानी है अब सोचो तुम्हें याद नहीं है वो सावन के झूले के झूले रुक आए रुक जाए लेकर झूठा एक दिलासा फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा मेरे नैना साधो फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा बिजुली बनकर गगन में चमकी बीते समय